tātou te hunga ora kia tātou ka piti hono tātai hono. Nō reira, nau mai koutou. So my name's Rapata Wiri. I've taught Māori language for the last 25 years.
My name's Veronica, as you can all say. I live in Auckland. I'm in Auckland. I'm probably I'm going to be safe and say I'm number one. Then you won't expect anything from me, too much from me.
Tēnā koutou. My name's Justin Herbert, and I'd be a 1 on the scale.
Kia ora everybody, I'm Tāwhia Whauwasha. On the scale, probably a 1.5.
So this is our motto. Reo ora means the living language, and our mantra is we can teach you the reo in 12 weeks. I used to tell my students, I said, come to class, attend classes, because when you attend classes, we can actually motivate you, monitor you, see if you've done your homework. We can inspire you and give you that determination and that courage that you need to carry on. Can you tell me what the word is for computer?
Rorohiko.
Rorohiko, yes. And rorohiko means electric brain. Electric brain, yeah. Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. It's like anything. When we're human beings, we tend to overthink things. Oh no, did I say that wrong? Oh, did I put the verb in the right place? Oh, people get tripped up. How do I say greenhouse?
Pare
kakariki. Kakariki is green. BSO. Write this down. BSO. Verb, subject, object. Kei te kaya Stefania, kei te kaya Jenny, kei te kaya Leanne, and then we go into the courses. So we've got 2 courses here, and this is what you get if you join our class. You get a subscription to both Māori 101 and Māori 102. Some developers, young Māori fellows from Rotorua.
Kia ora rai, tama. Tēnā koe koro.
So I'm going to do a quiz with you guys. Are you ready? How te kupu, what does I mean in Māori?
Ahau.
No, I.
Yes.
10 out of 10. Awesome. So this is some of our assessments we do. Bless you all, and we shall see you next Wednesday.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Ngā mihi, mauri ora.
Ngā mihi, kia te maka.
Ngā mihi.
Ngā mihi.